Pause those pencils, have your eyes on the board in 3. Pause your pencils, have your eyes on the board in 2. Pause your pencils, have your eyes on the board in 1. Your pencil can be down for this whole conversation because we're just going to talk about the work, okay? I saw a lot of really great things. Every single person in this room had at least one correct strategy. Amazing. We're going to look at 2 different correct strategies and talk about what we see. So I wrote down some of your work. Suzanne actually had 2 correct strategies, but I chose one of hers, and so did Isaiah, and I chose one of his. Take 20 seconds to just kind of absorb what's going on your own. You're looking at the board to see what's going on. You're not updating. Thinking about the steps that they took. Now, with your neighbor, you're going to discuss what is similar about the 2 strategies that you see and what is different about the 2 strategies that you see. To do that, you should identify the steps that they are taking with your partner. Turn. Talk. What was the same about these? Obviously, the answer, which means, are both strategies valid? Yeah, we're getting the correct answer both times, right? I heard Jose talk about a reciprocal rule, and I heard Ricardo talk about adding and subtracting based on our bases. Is what they did really that different? I'm seeing some of you say no. Why are you saying no, Brian?
I'm saying no because at the end there's still
Alberta.
For Suzanne, the only step that she was doing at the end was also finding the reciprocal, so at the end they were just doing the same steps, but in reverse.
So they actually both used the reciprocal rule, and they both used the same basis rule. But what was different? Just what? Brandon? Speak up. Just the order. So, are exponents like PEMDAS? Do they have an order of operations necessarily? How do you know? Justin?
Because they both got the right answer, no matter which one.
They both got the right answer despite using a different order of the rules. So, exponents don't really have this hard rule of PEMDAS, right? We can do whatever rules we want in whatever order. I do have a preference. And you might too. Which one do you think is easier? Or which one maybe do you think Miss Purdy likes more, and why? Talk to your partner, turn, talk. Which one do you think is better? If you had to, I know they're both easy, but if you had to, which one's better? Okay, voices off in 3, voices off in 2, voices off in 1. Snaps if you said A. Okay, snaps if you said B. I would say that's pretty 50-50. Is that okay? Yeah, because either way, you're going to get the correct answer. I think B. Mr. Brown doesn't. That's okay. We can disagree. Again, there's no right answer here. But I think that B is easier. Does anybody have an idea why? Lohana, she's over here. Speak up.
I think it's the B, because when you reciprocate it, that's the first step, so you get the negative numbers out the way.
That's exactly why. I don't like dealing with negative numbers, so I make everything positive using that reciprocal rule first. Some of you might be really great at negative numbers, and it's fine to just subtract. Okay? There's no right way, but there's advantageous ways depending on your strengths. Okay? That's it. Please waterfall that in. That should get to Brandon.